Plans to rehabilitate the historic Education Cultural Complex Theater are underway. It's all thanks to a $35 million grant awarded to the San Diego College of Continuing Education.
Our ABC Tennis reporter Nia Watson shows how the renovation will help preserve the space known for its rich history and African-American arts and culture.
For the past 5 decades, the Education Cultural Complex has been the hub of African-American civil rights activism in San Diego. From
Maya Angelou, Jesse Jackson, Muhammad Ali,
to a visit from Coretta Scott King in 1983, where she thanked the community for support to make Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday a federal holiday.
I think it is important as we celebrate this holiday that we live the dream.
Civil rights activism was occurring around the country in small towns and large towns, and we here in San Diego had an important part in that role.
In an effort to preserve the ECC's rich history, Chancellor of the San Diego Community College District, Dr. Carlos Turner Cortez, says they formed a historic preservation committee, sparking a campaign to renovate the theater.
We deserve a great theater, just like City College or Mesa College.
Committee member Leah Goodwin says it's the ECC's celebration of black culture that drew her to the space when she moved to San Diego in the 1980s.
The plays that were here, the hallway was full of African artifacts.
Up until the pandemic shut down operations, the theater continued to host plays, performances, and community forums.
I know Monica Montgomery Stepp did her State of the Union address here.
But taking a look around the theater, you'll notice its furnishings date as far back as its history. The renovation includes updated lighting, sound system, and a new control room, along with a better seating arrangement.
The ADA accessibility is questionable, and not just for theater audience members, but for people that work in the theaters.
The project will not only revive the theater back to its glory days.
We are referring to the late 1980s and early 1990s as the golden age of ECC. We hope that this theater renovation project will usher in the platinum age of ECC.
But more than anything, provide a space more equipped for fostering cultural expression and togetherness during a time of division.
I truly believe that the arts are the tool for healing, and that we are a broken America, and that we need more opportunities to heal.
Nia Watson, ABC 10 News.
Let's hope it heals. The project is expected to be completed in 2024.